Today we're removing the stereo from a Nissan Altima. See our website for our full library removal guides. With a flathead screwdriver, move to the driver's side kick panel and slightly pry the screw cover from this panel, exposing one screw. We're removing this side kick panel to access a hidden screw. At the front of this panel there is a finger screw that can be removed with your fingers. This will release the front of the panel. The back edge of the panel in the door jamb has a clip securing it in place. Pry slightly behind the panel to release this clip and remove it. Go down to the bottom of the door jamb and pry the bottom panel front edge slightly up. It interlocks with the forward panel. With this panel lifted up, you can release the forward panel, pull it back, and set it to the side. Push the door sill bottom panel back into place, and remove two screws along the bottom edge of the panel, one on the left and one on the right. This will allow you to grasp the back edge, slightly pull forward. This will release the remaining clips. Work your way across the panel to the left side, releasing these clips, and this panel will drop to the floor of the vehicle. This is going to access another hidden screw here to the left of the car stereo and front trim panel. Remove this screw, and with your pry tool, pry the small square panel from around the gear shift up to release. Releases with pry pressure. You'll be able to pull this up, remove it over the gear shift, and set it to the side. Remove the 6 mounting screws for this panel. 2 screws at the very top, one on the left and one on the right. 2 lower down on this front panel that were exposed earlier from removing the trim panel from around the gear shift. One at the front left of the gear shift, the second at the front right of the gear shift. The 2 remaining screws are at the back of the gear shift, one on the left and one on the right. Remove the ashtray and its contents, set the parking brake, and shift to a lower gear. We're going to grasp the side edges along each side of the gear shift and pull this panel slightly up. This is older plastic, it tends to stick, and we're going to be very gentle with this. But you pull it back, it will hinge at the top of the dash, and as you pull it back it will release, and this entire panel will pull forward. We're going to reach around the back of the panel and remove 2 connectors, one at the 12-volt source. There's a trigger on these connectors. You push them in to release, and the second connector for the backlighting trim ring for this. Remove this panel and set it to the side. You can access 4 mounting screws, 2 on each side of the car stereo, and pull the car stereo from the dash. Gently pinch the side of the antenna trigger to release its lock, and this will remove. The remaining 2 connectors have triggers on top. Squeeze these triggers into the radio and remove. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.